What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to check events on investigating.com. So what you're going to do is just go to your investigating.com app or the website and log in with your account. Then over here you'll find this option which says economic calendar over here just below the broker and tools option. Just go on it and it will redirect you to economic calendar. Sorry guys. And over here you'll see these are all the events that gonna be happening soon. So that's how you see guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.